Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video on how to tutorial. So today in this video I will show you guys how to see how many hours you have played Roblox. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up your Roblox and make sure that you have already logged in. With this, you will directly land on the homepage of Roblox. Once you are logged in, click on menu. These three dots on the bottom right corner. Here you can see your settings, profile, groups. Since you all guys can see that we do not have any feature to see how many hours we have used Roblox, it's because Roblox hasn't added any such features yet. So now what we need to do and what we can do is go to your mobile settings and here tap on your battery option. You can see how much time you have spent on any application. Now here, to see that how much time you have spent on Roblox, tap on Roblox to see the performance, and here you can see how much time battery you have used on Roblox. So this was it for today guys. I hope you all guys liked the video and find the video helpful. If you guys find the video helpful, then do not forget to like and subscribe the channel. Also hit the bell icon to get more updates.